Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. This video is just a little update on the on my 1988 Hoover Junior U1104. Now yesterday I uploaded a video of a demo and it vibrated like hell and it was burning the belt. Now it's a suspected bent armature or a bent belt pulley, because I ran it without any belt on and that was going so it's either a new one needs to be sourced of a belt pulley, or ask people very nicely if they have a spare U1104 motor with a straight armature. So that is the update for this machine, guys. Not an exciting video, just an update really. That is what the problem is. Apart from that, she runs absolutely great. The motor sounds fantastic and she picked up quite well. And yeah, so there we go, my YouTubers. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.